Hi, I'm Leanne of Lee Freeman Hypnotherapy. If you would like any one-on-one sessions with me, please go to leefreemanhypnosis.com. I'm a fully qualified advanced clinical hypnotherapist. I specialise in addictions, but I work in many other areas, including stress, anxiety, depression, insomnia, weight loss, fertility issues, and many other areas. This is a guided hypnosis session. Please do not drive or operate machinery while listening to this recording. Find yourself a comfortable position to be in where you will not be disturbed. Restlessness often appears when the mind has forgotten how to be still, when thoughts begin to cycle endlessly, revisiting the past and participate in the future. The nervous system follows. The body becomes tense and the breath shallow, the inner dialogue constant. This is the restless mind, not broken, not defective, but overwhelmed. It is simply a mind trying too hard to protect you, too hard to stay in control. This session is designed to help you find your way back to quiet balance, to retain the body and mind to work together in peace, not conflict. So just allow your eyes to close and take a few deep breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Notice the rhythm, effortlessly, natural and steady. You don't have to force calm. It already lives within you. Each breath you take now is a signal to the body, a reminder that you are safe. And when the body feels safe, the mind begins to settle. Imagine that your thoughts are like ripples on the surface of a lake. At first the water moves quickly, disturbed by every gust of wind, every worry, and every unfinished thought. But as the wind begins to slow, the surface becomes smooth again. And below that surface, there is always stillness. You are not here to fight your restlessness. You are here to listen to it, to understand its message, and then allow it to soften. You don't have to quiet the mind through control. You can quiet it through kindness. Now, bring your awareness to your breath again. Imagine breathing from the center of your chest. Slow, rhythmic, gentle. With each breath, the space inside you expands. Your shoulders loosen. Your face face softens and your body begins to sink deeper into comfort. As you continue to breathe, imagine you are walking along a path through a quiet forest. The ground beneath you is soft. The air is cool and clean. With every step, you feel more at ease, more supported. In the distance, you hear the soft murmur of a stream. Follow the sound. It's steady, soothing, and effortless. As you reach the water's edge, you sit beside it. The flow of water mirrors your breath, continuous and unforced. It flows without effort, and so do you. I'm going to count slowly from 1 down to 10. And with each number, your mind becomes quieter and your body more deeply relaxed. 1. Releasing all effort. 2. The mind softens. 3. Your breath steady and calm. 4. Deeper into stillness. 5. Any noise inside your mind fading gently away. 6. Nearly there, balanced and open. 7. Calm spreading through you. 8. Awareness deepening. 9. Quiet, peaceful, serene. And 10. Resting in stillness now. Here in this deep space of awareness, imagine that you are sitting beside a vast body of water, calm, endless, and clear. Each thought that rises is like a ripple upon the surface. Instead of chasing or stopping the ripples, you simply watch them fade. Your mind is learning that silence is not the absence of thought. It is the presence of peace. Now imagine that each breath you take creates a small circle of calm, expanding outward from your chest. It radiates through your body, quieting your heart, your mind, and your nerves. You begin to feel aligned, your thoughts slowing to match the steady rhythm of your breath. Every time you notice restlessness in your life, you can recall this rhythm. You can breathe, pause, and observe. And the chaos begins to untangle itself. The more you practice this awareness, the less power the noise holds. You realize that you are not the noise. You are the stillness beneath it. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that sees them. Now let that awareness expand through your entire body, from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. Your entire body hums with quiet clarity. Your nervous system resets to calm. Your muscles release, and your heart finds rhythm again. This is a state of alignment. Body, mind, and breath moving together. No struggle, no resistance, only peace. And let these truths take root within your subconscious mind. My mind and body are calm and in harmony. Restlessness fades as I return to my natural rhythm. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. Stillness comes easily to me now. Peace lives within me, and I can access it at any time. I move through life with ease and clarity. I will count from 5 to 1. As I do, your awareness will begin to rise back to the surface. Calm, refreshed, and centered. 5. Becoming aware of your breath. 4. Feeling energy return to your body. 3. clarity returning to your mind. 2. Feeling balanced and light. And 1. Eyes open, peaceful and present, quiet within, steady without. You are calm. You are clear. You are free from the noise. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe and share.